So it took only 0.43 seconds to perform the analysis. Now, before showing the result, I will create two more load combinations. So you can create, as it is a linear analysis, so you can create a load combination in the pre-post directly. So I will give it a name. I will call it load combination 1. Here, dead load 1, live load 1 factor, and load combination 2. And here I will give some coefficient 1.2, live load 0.5, and the last one will be the wind on y direction 1.3. Click on close. Now it's the time when I will show you the results. So all the results are in this part of the screen. So first of all, I will show you the reactions. So click on reaction and force of the moment. The reaction of the load combination I just created in Z direction, and activate the values and the legend. Click on apply, and you will see directly on the screen the values of this support condition at the boundary nodes. Now it's possible also to show the reaction force at a specific so select single, and here in the node number, pick the node on which you want to know more information, and here in the message window you will have the information about this node. The next type of result will be the deform shape. So you can click here in deform shape and select here deform shape, click on apply. So we'll activate the section. Now the deformation is not real, so click here on this button and select real deformation. You can also increase a bit the deformation using the scale factor if you want to see better what is happening. Now you have the same option to search displacement as at a specific node, and here in the message window you will have the information about deformation at this node here. Now you can view also deformation displacement contour. So for LBC2, for example, you can view the contour like that. You can also view the gradients field, and if you want you can increase the number of colors. You can verify the beam forces. So for a specific analysis load case, moment, and you can activate all that and see the beam forces. Okay, I just unactivate the number of the nodes and elements to see better what is happening. You can also see the beam diagrams. So for the dead load, for example, click on apply. So again I will click on deform, no, I will click on contour, and okay, now if you want to see all that using beam diagrams. Okay, so now I'll show you the forces. So okay, so this is the beam diagram for the forces. Display option, choose exact and solid fill. You can increase a bit the scale. Okay, and if you want to see only deformation in one specific area, you can select, for example, use the selection of the plane. So here, plane selection, no, here, plane, okay, and you have activate option, so it activates only certain elements, and after that you can see the specific results. So you can use line field, for example, and see the result at all the points. Now let's activate all again and click on isometric view, and I will show you again the results. So you can see the result for the stresses, the beam stresses, for example, like that. And if you want to view all that in a more realistic view, so you can go in the view menu and you have something called the render view. So if you go here, it is possible to move with the keys of your keyboard to see the model. You can also fly to view the model from any angle, so it is very useful when you want to take some picture of your model, for example. Okay, unactivate that. Now the last thing to show you is the animation. So to view the animation, click on animate, and here you have to click on the record button, and it will show you the animation for your analysis. Okay, it's all for this first tutorial. Thank you very much for watching this video, and see you next time.